Hey guys, so this is my day today. I have a, let's call it a recurring project. Not a whole lot of time constraints on it. But I've got a guy that wants this Toyota pickup, nice red one. It has an interesting swap from a Buick V6 or an Oldsmobile V6. I couldn't tell you. Not a GM guy for sure. But we are going to replace that motor with the motor out of this white pickup here that I'm sure you've seen before, at least at some point. And that's got a 22R fuel injected motor in it now. Not sure whether homie wants this done in a carbureted setup for like a bug out vehicle, or if he wants it done in EFI. Either way, we have to take that anchor out of that pickup to make room for that one. So I don't know if we're gonna get a whole lot of video in on this one, but I'll see what I can do about getting a bunch of pictures in and stuff. So cool, see ya. Got the battery out, I got the radiator out and the coolant hose is off. It's pretty ingenious radiator setup. I liked it. Pretty sweet mounts. I mean, somebody took the time to do the swap right, which is pretty interesting. It's an interesting choice. All right, here we go, taking more off. All right, guys, it's about lunchtime. I've gotten everything disconnected out of the red truck. Pretty reasonable. It was just the alternator, the starter, fuel, power steering, which was interesting, and the stuff on the front. So I've got more room to take it out. Accelerator cable, a singular vacuum line, and the 2 heater hoses. Actually, the 3 heater hoses that are chilling up there. Going quick enough. Need to dump the transmission in the transfer case so I don't make a huge mess of oil on the ground. And then I think this guy's coming out today, so stay tuned. Alright guys, it's lunchtime. Got a bunch done, so it's draining itself down there in a bucket because I didn't feel like taking the pan off and making a mess. Yeah, there's super plenty of room in here. Didn't have to do anything really spectacular to get that guy out. Had to take off the header, the driver's side. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? There it is, back there behind the transfer case. But yeah, it got hung up on the steering shaft. So that's about it. Just letting it drain out so I don't make a mess all over this dude's floor, and we'll get back to it later. Alright guys, day 2. Getting that thing out of there and trying to clean that up and put it in there. So we'll see how far we get today. Draining the coolant, pulling the radiator, getting the extraneous crap off the outside, disconnecting the downpipe at that flange right there. Yeah, probably gonna rip off the top side of the intake manifold, just to make it that much easier to get that crap out of the way. I believe it's gonna get carbureted. I'm pretty sure it will, so we'll use that manifold setup. That's it. Gotta get to work. Thanks. Oh, it's cold. What a sad, cold day.
Come on, piss.
Shit, knock the dirt off. It looks good, don't it?
Hell yeah.
Typical 90s Toyota weight saving stuff, but
Yeah.
good times. All right, so it's like 2:30. I've been at it most of the day. Couple of little hiccups, nothing big, but it's coming out now. The other truck is out getting prepped for pedal box swap and all the new bits that it's gonna need to take this motor in. So we'll get it out. I believe I'm only one guy. All right, guys. So we got most everything done out here, so that's all out. I probably need to get the clutch master and the slave cylinder off it, and that harness needs to go. But everything else is stripped out of the truck properly, and got it laid out over here. So motor, transmission, cross member, transfer case, exhaust. That guy is the Buick transfer case. Yeah. Radiator. Cool. So, oh, and look who's shop dog today. Wary. Hi, Wary. He's cold. But yeah, that's day 2. So 2 engines pulled and prepped. That's it.